Hey y'all, I'm out here. It is cloudy, as y'all can see. So, I just found out from my stepbrother, as y'all can see. Uh, Nothing wrong is going on. It's just a private owner who is driving a helicopter, flying a helicopter, and I'm like, whoa! Thought it's thought it was a. I thought something wrong was going on. So in the previous clip, y'all might have heard me laughing, but it's from what I found out. It's a private helicopter. Oh, it's leaving. Wow, it's quite a show. If I would admit it's it's a private show. It was a it was mm, uh, but a private owner. So wow. Um, that was nice. And as y'all could see, it is cloudy. It's just pretty bad out here. If you if y'all could admit. I've heard this helicopter for a long time, and I'm like, what in the apostle is going on? uh, there. I just wanted to do a little vlog of this helicopter flying by. Sorry that I was laughing on the other clip. So, there you go. Peace.